In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a password-protected page in Webflow. If you're sharing early designs, housing client resources, or publishing internal documentation, adding a password is a quick way to keep a page private without setting up full user accounts. In Webflow, this happens right inside the designer, and it only takes a moment. First, open your project in the Webflow designer and head to the Pages panel. You'll see a list of every static page in your site. This is the control center for page level options, including visibility. Take a second to confirm you're selecting the exact page you want to protect, since the setting applies only to that page and not to the whole site. Next, hover over that page and open its settings. You can do this by clicking the small gear icon next to the page name that opens the page settings drawer where you manage basic details like the page name and slug, as well as access controls. If you don't see the correct page, close the drawer and double check you're still in the Pages panel list. Now scroll to the access section and choose the option labeled anyone with the password. This converts the page into a gated view that shows a lock screen to visitors until they enter the correct password. Important note, password protection for individual pages requires a paid site plan in Webflow. If this option is grayed out or missing, you'll need an upgraded plan attached to the site before you can enable it. Once the option is available, set a strong, memorable password and keep it somewhere secure. From a visitor's perspective, they'll land on the page, see the password prompt, and gain access only after entering the password exactly as you created it. Remember that this control works on your published site. In the designer, you'll still be able to view and edit the page normally. That's all it takes. You've gone to the Pages panel, opened the settings for the page you want, and enabled anyone with the password. Share the password only with people who should have access, rotate it periodically if the content is sensitive, and avoid reusing passwords across different sites. If you ever want to remove protection, just return to the same setting and switch it off. Thanks for following along. You now have a clean, secure way to hide a page in Webflow without complicating your workflow.